Evening, everyone. It's 7:27. I know that it's a little late. I'm going to try and keep it short. It was an interesting day. I kind of thought that we were in kind of a Goldilocks kind of market here today from the standpoint of what the FOMC said. We were long some SPXS, which is the triple bear um, S&P from around 27 cents. They closed 58 cents, up 30 cents or 107%. At the same time, we are long the GDX, which is the gold miners. And after the information came out, the GDX actually held up really well. It traded under 29 yesterday. It traded over 30 today. Um, we're in the October 29 calls. It looks like we closed around 29.65. That was up on the day and about mid range, or it looked like about mid range, at least in the gold itself. Um, let's take a look at uh, that chart. Okay, this is the oil, and what can I say? We closed on the low yesterday, even though we were up higher high, higher low. Today, lower high, lower low, closing about in the middle, and tonight we're down about 35 cents. But let's go over to that gold chart. I'm very disappointed tonight. Kind of the reason I waited so long to do this is because I wanted to see what the trading looked like in late hours. And unfortunately, after a great day, closing up 13 and a half and about mid range in the contract, also higher high, higher low. Tonight, we opened up basically down 16. Last is 1950. I'd be surprised if we got much below 1940, 1942. We are still in them. I believe that we have an average cost of about $1.25. They closed $1.34, up 17 cents, and they were as high as $1.63. So looked pretty decent. Um, Everything closed down, nothing more than the NASDAQ, down 209 or 1.53. Um, the transports closed up uh, 91 cents. And after the close, we had earnings from FedEx. And the earnings were in line for revenues, a beat on bottom line, and some not great but not terrible either guidance. The stock had closed 250 spot 52, up 53 cents. After the news came, it got as high as 265.99. Last 263.80, up 13.81 or 5.5%. Another old name, IBM, has been acting really well. RBC has a buyout on it with a target price of 188. Yesterday's low was 144. Today's high was almost 152, closed 149.75, and that was up $3 and change. Um, and the stock is old tech and it's acting really well. What is not acting well at all are the three big IPOs. Um, Instacart. Yesterday's high was 42.95. Today's low was 29.96. It closed 30 spot 10, down 360, which is only 10 cents above its issue price and nowhere near its high in its second day of trading, or pardon me, first day of trading, which was 42.95. So we're 30% off the high and down another 10.7% today. ARM Holdings, same situation, came at 51, um, got as high as 69. Um, Today closed 51.52. Pardon me, that was the low, 51.52. 52.20, the close, down 297 or another 5.38%. As I said, 25% off its high. And today's new one, KVYO. This one came at 30. That was above even the high end of the range. Opened 36.75, got up to 39.47, closed 32.40, up $2.40 from the issue price, so up 8% and 18% off its low. Tomorrow being Thursday, we have claims tomorrow. Uh, Let me just see what else we might have. 8:30 initial claims, continuing claims, second quarter current account balance, always a huge deficit. September Philly Fed survey. And that one has caused the market a bit of a problem. Last time, the prior was up 12, which was a massive number and a big surprise. The consensus for tomorrow is -2. 10 o'clock, existing home sales, August leading indicators, and at 10:30, weekly nat gas. MBA mortgage apps rose 5.5%, refinance jumping 13%, and new purchase applications up 2%. Crude inventory showed yet another draw, 2.14 million barrels. Last week was a build of 3.96, and the jackasses in Washington are still not putting a single barrel back in the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. Okay, folks, that's about it. I'll be back first thing in the morning.